was quick. Anyways, welcome back to Quick Sixer. This is Brittany's Brew Review. First one of the year, actually, for 2020-25. And we're going to keep doing that 2020-25. And, but anyways, this is the full crew. We've never done this before. So a four-person brew review. You got, the first time since the last time, I guess, with that Drew Pasley's in the house for the first. And then you got Madam Knitch all the way in Atlanta. And then me and B, of course, in the goddamn Nashville. But anyway, B, what do we got to show off for March of 2025?
I was really reaching into the back of my fridge to see what was going to happen today, but I have my last Shiner holiday cheer,
Oh,
my
God.
very last one. I think I bought like three six-packs of this, starting whenever I saw them on the shelves. So this is my last one, and I know it's March, but it's fucking cold today,
It
so
is.
I'm just gonna
Okay. All
just
right.
gonna go with it.
Well, um, okay. So in the spirit of brew reviews, I guess. This isn't the spirit actually, but did somebody pick 1 through 4?
Two.
Because okay, 2. No one can drink alone on the Quick Sixer shows, so yeah, perfect. So this is my last one of this anyway, so this is good. So Founders Mortal Bloom. It's a hazy IPA. It's pretty cool. You can buy it at the grocery store. It's 6.2, so we'll be good. We'll be good. But anyways, B, you've had this Shiners before, the seasonal?
Oh yeah. I know it's not new or exciting, but it's my
Mhm.
last one and I felt like we needed to, you know, kind of round out the winter
I agree. I
and
agree.
I wanted to get it out of my fridge.
Mhm. Well, in that spirit, then, if I can taste that shit, tell us what's it about. Shout out to Founders too. They're what's up.
Have you guys had this before?
I have, yeah.
I'm
It's
about to
so good.
see.
No.
I don't know if I've had it, but I'm about to see. I'm about to look.
So it's ale brewed with peaches and pecans with caramel color.
Mm,
But I don't know, it's like it is a little fruity, a little
fruity,
malty.
like cranberry maybe, or like what?
No, it's like the tiniest hint of peach, I feel like. It's like nutty, fruity flavors, perfect for sitting
Okay,
around a fireplace
holiday
during
cheer.
Christmas.
Okay, I have had this, but it's been 5 years since I've had it. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, I had it the day after my birthday in 2020. So
Oh
December 5th.
wow.
Oh no, I had it on my birthday the first time in 2018, apparently.
Damn. That
What are we
seems
thinking?
like
Where are we at out of 5 on this? If we're going by an
honestly,
untapped.
I think this is like a 4.5 out of 5 for me.
Nice.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good rating.
It's probably one of my highest ratings.
It is for 100%. Um, I mean, it's kind of all right. So the global average is a 3.59, and I
Yeah.
rated it a 3.
3.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I rated it a 3 out of 5.
But I don't really think it's your
It's not.
preferred beer.
No, no, obviously.
I'm an
Um,
ale-ish type person. You're more of an
mhm.
IPA type person.
Yeah, it says it's a wheat beer,
Wheat beer.
Dunkelweizen, 5.4 ABV, 22 IBUs. Pretty cool. I've had it twice apparently, according to these things. But
Well, and I love the packaging because big package
yeah.
slut. So it's just looks
Um
classic
yeah,
Yeah.
Christmas.
as far as these holiday Shiner beers go, it looks like I tend to have them when they come around, and this is the highest rated one I've had. I
Mm.
mean, I put one. There's a s'mores one I put at a 2. So
Ooh.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's a little too
uh,
much.
yeah. So I don't know. Have you guys ever had this beer?
So I thought I did have it, but I guess not. I was thinking there was like one that was like a darker beer, like with
Mm,
chocolate or something.
mm.
You know, my
So maybe that.
beer explorations have only been with you during this podcast.
Yeah. So probably not on
So
this one.
probably not.
I
I
mean,
have had Shiner Bock, but just not that particular.
Yeah,
Yeah, and well, Shiner
Yeah.
is one of my favorite beers too. Just I love everything
mine too. Yeah,
that they
Shiner Bock's
do.
always good.
So
Yeah.
I'm always get stoked when this one hits the stores. And I know I'm confusing people with the Halloween house and the Christmas beer, and it's March, but yeah,
what are
whatever.
you gonna do? I mean, I'm more concerned about how much shit's on your fridge. But besides that,
Hey man, mine looks the
what's a
same
packed
way.
fridge, bro?
I like to collect magnets. Okay.
I love a magnet. Yeah, Drew, we wouldn't have had this together. The first time I had it was after I moved from California, so that's a no. But B, me and you may have had this together.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
This might have been a beer we've talked about. But anyway, shout out to Shiner. I gave him a 3. B's giving him a 4.5, you said?
It's
Jeez.
so good.
Mm. Mhm, mhm.
And it's like when you talk about the cons in a beer, that can go sideways really fast.
It can.
And
Yeah,
it
we really can.
works really well.
Being a pecan, all right, not to draw this episode out, but Adam, do you remember that pecan beer in Jackson that we fucked with a lot?
No, I do not remember that.
Oh man, what? I'm gonna
Pecan
look it up
beer?
real quick. Huh? Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
remember ever fucking with a pecan beer.
You don't,
I think I know which one you're talking about. Was
dude?
it
It's a down Mississippi fucking
yeah.
pecan beer.
It's
Yeah,
I wanted to say
Oh,
it's
man.
Southern Prohibition. Is that it?
Yeah, that
I don't
sounds
think
right.
that's it.
From Hattiesburg. They have a pecan beer from there that was popular around that time that y'all were doing that show.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
might have been it, dude.
No. I'm gonna look it
No.
up. No, I don't think so. But it might have been. Dude, I might have to talk about this in the next thing, but we had a bunch of Taco Bell before this, and my stomach is like, why did you do that?
Yeah, dude. Why did you do that?
It's a bad idea. First of all, Meg was like, "We got to try this new fucking, I don't know, this little thing that they had," and I was like, "All right, cool. I'll take you tomorrow."
That's hilarious.
Bro, I don't even know if this brewery's still alive.
What, the Southern Prohibition one or?
Yeah, I mean, it says it is, but it's like order on Toast tab. They don't have like a fucking like a website. It looks like.
Mm.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, let's look. Beer to go, packaged beer. Crown Control. No. Susie B. That might have been it, dude. No,
That's not
it
it.
was Susie something. I know it was Susie something. I know that for sure. That's facts. Susie. Fuck, dude. I know it is. I know it oh, dude, this is gonna bug me so much.
I recommend pecan beer. I don't know.
Yeah.
Put it in the show notes after you figure it out, and let's move on.
I know. Hold on, I'm doing a quick little
Pecan.
search. Susie B. pecan beer.
Pat leaves no
see.
stone unturned.
I can't, dude. I've had this shit before. It's fuck, man. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I'm fucking mad now.
Yeah, dude.
Ugh.
Cancel the
It's
show.
not this. It's this.
Yeah.
I know. Cancel it. Just cancel it. I hate this now. Why do you have to bring this up? Who brought
Why
this
did
up?
you have to
Was it?
bring it up?
You
No, dude.
brought
I
it
found it.
up.
I found it. Lazy Magnolia Southern Pecan.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's
You
the
did it,
one, bruh. I told
it.
you.
Wait,
I mean,
is
that beer
that
was okay, but I don't remember fucking it
But
up,
we
I
drank a
guess, like
shit
you
ton
were.
of this beer. We drank a
But
shit ton of this beer.
I did not know.
where is that one
You
from?
lie. You did, huh?
Where is
Lazy
Lazy
Mag-
Magnolia from? Is that the Hattiesburg one?
I'm
think
looking
it's-
up right now.
'Cause
Lazy
Jackson.
Magnolia.
that might be the one I was thinking of all along.
They are. Where are they at? Kiln, Mississippi.
No,
No.
but
That
I
sounds
have had
bombing.
Lazy Magnolia before.
Yeah, dude. No, no. Okay, so a brewery's located 3 miles north off of I-10, Mississippi, exit 13, Kiln, Mississippi.
Never gonna catch me in Mississippi ever again.
Have you ever been? Have you ever been?
Yeah, the one. Never again.
Why were you there?
My part of my family lives down there.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh, I mispronounced it. My bad. It says pronounced the Kill. So Kill, Mississippi, unincorporated community. That sounds great.
Nope. I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 50
They're
miles northeast of
mosquitoes.
New Orleans. So this looks like a place we shouldn't go. But anyway, yeah, Lazy
Y'all already
Magnolia.
making
Shout out.
enemies. We
We're
hadn't been on
drinking.
here for 15
Yeah.
minutes and
Yeah.
you already making enemies.
That's okay. That's all right. We drank a shit ton of their beer. They should be thankful. Anyway, that kind of sums it up for this episode of Brittany's Brew Review. If you like it, hit the fucking subscribes, hit all the things, hit the bells if you like bells. We're out of here.